home side hustles to quit your job in 2024. $500 per day. If you are serious about quitting your job and working from home in 2024, these side hustles offer excellent earning potential and flexibility. By leveraging your skills and tapping into the online marketplace, you can grow your side hustle into a full-time income stream that allows you to take control of your financial future. Choose a hustle that aligns with your interests and strengths and start building your path to freedom today. Looking for a way to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and earn a substantial income from the comfort of your own home? With the rise of the gig economy and online opportunities, it's never been easier to build a side hustle that can eventually replace your full-time job. Here are 6 work-from-home side hustles that have the potential to generate $500 or more per day, allowing you to quit your job in 2024.
Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.